Discover the magic of Google Docs. Whether you are writing a paper, collaborating on a project, or organizing your thoughts, this versatile tool makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with Google Docs. So, first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Google Docs, and you click over here and you will find this page. So what is Google Docs? Google Docs is a free web-based word processing application that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on documents online in real time. It offers various formatting tools, templates, and easy sharing options, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. So as you can see, you have just to go here and you will find this page after click over here, and then you have just to click over this create new documents, and you will find this page as you can see. So to start with Google Docs, you have just to choose a blank document or select from various templates. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar for formatting options, inserting images, and adding links. To collaborate, click the share button, enter email addresses, and set permissions for others to view or edit your document. You're ready to start creating and collaborating seamlessly. So, first of all, we have here the home page as you can see. So you have just to write title here, for example, write this. Then you have just to make it star if you want, as you can see. Then we have other options. I will show you that. So here we have this document is not ready for offline use. If you are lose an internet connection, you can't edit these documents. To access your documents without an internet connection, turn on offline. Then we have here other options, but first of all, we have here if you wanna the meeting notes or email draft, and here we have more. So about meeting notes, we have here date, calendar event, and you choose here the person to attend, and we have here notes if you want to add notes. Then if you want to add action items, then we have your email draft. For example, you write it to person that write the email and the person that received the email under the subject. Also, then you start writing email message in here, as you can see. Then we have here more options, like we have here date drop down. So we have just to click over here and you will find it like that. And also you can also find here other options, like in the file we have here new if you want a new document, or from template gallery, and we have here also other options like open, you have make a copy, share, and then we have edit here, view also. So this one is insert, then we have format, and we have tools also, extensions, then we have help. So I will show you how you can get started. For example, I will choose here the zone we have here. Choose this one or this one. Then you have here, I will choose this one. Then I will choose the title here, and I will choose the size also. For example, I will choose 60. Then I will choose the path, and the color, it will be gray, as you can see. So I'll write, for example, Google Docs like that. Then I will come back. So I will choose, for example, the option that the number, as you can see. So I'll put it in the header one, and I will choose here, for example, 36. And I will write, for example, here also I will choose 36. But I will choose here in the line the option. So for example, I will write here, what is the secret of Google Sheets, Google Docs I mean. Then I will click over enter, and we will find here 2, then 3. As you can see, how to get started. And you put it in the size that you want. For example, put it here, the hidden tool. And I will choose here, for example, underline, and I will choose also the size, for example, 36. And here we have it, as you can see. Then also if you want to add an emoji here, I will add, for example, this one. As you can see, also we have here, if you want to add a comment, and we have here the option of emojis or action, as you can see. Then we have here if you want to suggest edits, and this is it. I'll level this one firstly. So then we have other options here. If you want to sort the menus, we have here if you want to come back, as you can see. And we have here riddle here, like that. Then we have here the spell and grammar. We have here the soul, styles, font. We have the size, poll here, italic. You have underline, text color, highlight color, and we have insert link, add comments, and we have insert image, aligned line and paragraph spacing, checklist, and we have here checklist menu, battle list, and we have here number list. We have here more. And then if you want to share here, you click over here, and then we have here join a call here. Present this tab to the call, show all comments. Last edit was seconds ago. So this is it. We have here try Gemini also. So this is how it looks. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. So Google Docs is a powerful tool that simplifies document creation and collaboration. Its user-friendly interface and real-time editing features enhance productivity for individuals and teams alike. Embrace Google Docs to streamline your workflow and unleash your creativity. So by following these tips and write yours, and you'll just get started with it. So you choose here the meeting notes or the email draft, and more options if you want. And then you get started with Google Docs. So this is how it works, and see you again in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.